हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमें स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इलस्ट्रेशन 49 सीएमए इंटरमीडिएट कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग का। सर्विस कॉस्टिंग में स्टार्ट करेंगे। सर्विस कॉस्टिंग में प्लीज आप कंसंट्रेट करेंगे यहाँ पे। इलस्ट्रेशन 49, लुक एट इट। जनता कॉर्पोरेशन एज अ बीन गिवन द 20 किलोमीटर रूट। ये रूट आपका कितनी है? 20 किलोमीटर का रूट है। लॉन्ग रन रनिंग बसेस, द कंपनी हैज अ फ्लीट ऑफ 10 बसेस। ये आपको माइंड में रखनी पड़ेगी। 10 बसेस, यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड 10 बसेस। कॉस्टिंग रुपीज 50,000। कॉस्टिंग रुपीज 50,000। 50,000 having life of 5 years without any scrap. Costing of each machine is 50,000, life 5 years. Using this you can calculate the depreciation of the machine. Okay, now from the following estimates expenditure and other details, calculate the bus fare for the charge of the each passenger. Bus fare you have to charge. Insurance charges is given here 3%. Annual taxes is given. Insurance, that is a 3%. Annual taxes for the bus is given here. Total garage charges is written here. Driver salary for each bus is given here. Now conductor salary for each bus is given here. Annual repair for each bus is given here. Annual repairs. Commission to be shared by the drivers and conductor equally. 10% commission they are taking on taking. Okay. Now cost of stationery. Cost of stationery. This is rupees 500. Manager salary. This is a 2,000. Accountant salary. This is a rupees 1,500. Petrol and oil rupees 25 for 100 kilometers. Each bus will make 3 round trips. 3 times it goes and come back. 3 round trips. Carrying an average 40 passenger of each trip. The bus will run on the average 25 days. 25 days runs a month. Assume 15% profit or taking. Calculate the bus fare for the charging the passengers. In this case, first you have to calculate the cost incurred. Cost incurred during the month. During the month. In this case, these all cost are cost of external manager salary, accountant salary. These all cost are given for 10 buses. These costs are given for the 10 buses. 10 10 buses. But annual taxes each bus. This is a given for 1 bus. This is a total garage charges. This is a given for 10 buses. Total garage per month. This is the your per month. Annual total garage charges. Driver salary for each bus. This is a for each bus. Conductor salary for each bus. In this case, you have to calculate for the expenditure due to 1 month. Expenditure due to 1 month of 10 buses. Okay, look at working note first. Working note first. Calculation of total expenditure during the month, during 1 month for 10 buses. Look at the cost here. Insurance charges 3%. Insurance charges. What is the cost? That is the cost of the machine is 50,000. This is a 3% per annum. 50,000 into 3 by 100. This is the cost of one machine. That's why insurance charges for one machine. If you multiply by 10, then you will get this. $50,000 into 0.03 into 10. 15,000.03 into 10, that equal to this. So this is the for 1 month. The divide 12. The this is for 1 year, but we are going to calculate for 1 month. That's why you have to divide. So 1250. Now annual taxes for each bus 1000. This is annual taxes. The annual taxes you have to calculate in month. Annual taxes. Now this is 1000. 1000 divided by 12 into 10 because of 10 bucks. 1000 for 1 year divided by 12, this is come 1 month, into 10 for 10 buses, that equal to 833.30. There is a total garage charges rupees 1 month. Total garage charges. This is a 1000. In this question, there is a no information about this month or year, but this is a for the 10 buses, and this is considered for month. This is assumed to be month. Okay, you can write the in notes annual garage charges for month, per month. You can assume this. Driver salary for each bus. Driver salary for each bus 150 per month. Driver salary. This is assumed for the 10 buses for 1 month. Driver salary 150, 10 buses 1500. Conductor salaries salary 100 rupees. Conductor salary for each bus 100 rupees per month. There are 10 buses, that equal to 1000. Thereafter commission, we will discuss about this. Cost of stationery. Cost of stationery 150. Cost of stationery 150. Manager salary 2000 per month. Cost of stationery, this is not a 150, this is the 500. 500. Manager salary. Manager salary. How much is manager salary? That is 2000. 2000. Accountant salary. Salary. This is a 1500, I think. 1500. Look at it. These are the expenditure we have calculated here. Look at it. Accountant salary. Now this is a petrol. Each bus will take 3 rounds. This is the cost. Now we have taken this. We have taken this. We have taken this. Annual repair and maintenance of the bus. We have taken or not? Repairs and maintenance. Repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance. 1000 divided by 12. What is written here? Repair and maintenance. One annual repair and maintenance each bus, but we have to calculate for 10. but this is a annual, this is a annual, that's why it is divided by 10 in 12 per month, because of this is for each bus, but you have to calculate for 10 buses, that's why you will multiply by 10 by 10. Depreciation, look at it. So depreciation, what you can calculate, each bus has 50,000 cost, 5-year life, no scrap value. So depreciation 50,000 minus 0 divided by 5, but it comes in a annual, it comes in a annual. So to make it month, you have to divide it by 12. Because of it is a cost for one bus, we have to calculate for the 10 buses, that's why 10 buses, that's why you will have to multiply by 10. So 50,000 divided by 60, so 8,333, this total cost of, now you have to calculate total cost except petrol cost, divide 833.33 plus 1500 plus 2000 plus 500 plus 1000 plus 1500 plus 1000 plus 833.33 plus 1250, 18,749. What is the cost of their commission? Petrol, this also calculate the petrol cost. 18,749 and 750. Now 18,750. Okay. Now look at cost 18,750. Add petrol cost. Look at it. In about petrol, what is the information is given? Look at it. Petrol and oil. Rupees 25, rupees 100 kilometer. Please try to understand this. We have to calculate. Working note. Calculation of running kilometer and passenger kilometer. First you have to calculate running kilometer in 1 month. What is a running kilometer? Look at it. 20 kilometer passenger runs. 20 kilometer. Goes and come back. That's why 2. It makes the 3 trips. Makes the 3 trips. How many buses? There are 10 buses. How many days in a month? 25. The 20 into 2 into 3 into 10 into 25. 30,000 kilometer. 30,000 kilometer. Passenger kilometer. 30,000 kilometers travel 40 passengers, 30,000 kilometer travels 40 passengers, that is 12 lakh kilometer passenger kilometer. This is a 12 lakh passenger kilometer. Now the petrol cost, 25 rupees cost for 100. This is a written here. Petrol cost 25 rupees per 100, per 100. So 25 rupees per 100. Then 30,000 kilometer will be what? Rupees 7,500. Now petrol charges that equal to 7,500. Now this will be 7,500, 18,750 plus 7,500, 26,250. Look at this is the total cost. Now assumed here total taking. Total taking, assume X. Drivers and conductor commission. Look at it. Driver and commission and conductor commission. Question is given 10% of total taking. 10% of total taking. तो टेकिंग यदि x है, तो कमीशन कितना होगा? तो 10% ऑफ x 0.10 x प्रॉफिट 15% of taking. This information is given in the questions. That equal to 0.15% of taking 0.15x. 0.15x taking. Now calculation of value of total taking. Calculation of value of total taking. So x equal to 26,250 plus 0.10x 0.15x. In the question it is written here, commission to be shared to the drivers and equally 10% of taking, 10% taking. About the profit, assuming 15% of taking the profit. This is the questions. Or 0.75 x equal to 26,250. X equal to 26,250 divided by 0.75. That equal to rupees 35,000. Total taking should be 35,000. Now, what we have to calculate in the questions? Calculate the bus fare to be charged from each passenger. So you have to calculate passenger kilometer by divided. Calculation of bus fare. Calculation of bus fare. Bus fare charges per passenger kilometer. Per passenger kilometer. Rupees 35,000 is the cost, including profit 35,000, and it runs 12 lakh passenger kilometer. 12 lakh passenger kilometer divided by 12 lakh passenger kilometer. 35,000 divided by 12 lakh. 0.29 0.0291 that equal to 0.03 per passenger kilometer. If one passenger runs 1 kilometer, then the fare will be 0.03. If one passenger run 10 kilometer, then the fare will be 0.303 into 10. This is the fares. Now the questions you have to calculate here. This is your answer. Okay, this is a calculated by your institutes. The solution of your institute is given like this, and this is written. I think this is a good understanding. Okay, thank you class. We will do the next question in next class. Okay, thank you class.